I will show you kung paano ka magiging magnetic. Magnetic sa chicks, magnetic sa mga high value men, anything kung gusto mong maging magnetic sa tao. I'm Joms and I help men conquer the fear of rejection by mastering confidence. And dito sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin yung the power of authenticity. So, authenticity meaning yan is true to yourself ka. You never put on a mask. Hindi ka nagdi-display, you're not playing a character, you're just being your true authentic self. So, authenticity can improve or can improve your attractiveness, and also this will draw people around you. Ibig sabihin magiging magnetic ka. Ganyan. Kaya nga sobrang taas ng rating sa mga reality TV shows. Because most probably yung mga nananalo doon is mga true to themselves. So hindi nila tinatago na na masungit sila, na mataray sila, mga ganun. So, ano ba yung mga signs that you are not being authentic sa sarili mo? Number one sign is you are pretending to be someone else. So, kung gusto mo mag-portray ng isang character na hindi naman ikaw, then mararamdaman din ng mga tao yan. Number two, you're feeling inauthentic. Yung parang lagi mo sinasabi sa sarili mo, putya, hindi naman ako to eh. I'm just trying to be this guy in order for people to like me. And we don't like that. Number three is you're struggling to connect. So kahit na you're portraying someone, you're masking yourself with another identity, is hirap ka pa rin makipag-connect sa mga tao. Hirap ka pa rin makipag-relasyon, hirap ka makipag-kaibigan. Because you're not being true to yourself. So, ano ba yung mga negative impacts nito if you're always trying to mask yourself with another identity? Number one is you attract the wrong people. Again, in the long run, facade mo lang to. Kung meron kang character that you are trying to hide and you're trying to portray outside, then people will be attracted to that person. Hindi sila magiging attracted kung sino ka talaga. Ibig sabihin, hindi magiging genuine yung magiging connection mo sa kanila. Number two is you may feel disconnected from yourself. So, dyan na yung mangyayari dyan yung anxiety, depression. It's because hindi mo naman nararamdaman na ikaw talaga to, na ito talaga yung gusto mo. So kapag ganun, you will never feel fulfilled. And number three, your relationship will lack depth. So, kahit magkaroon ka ng relasyon, is never lalalim yan. Kasi again, you are trying to hide something behind. And ayaw mo yung malaman niya. Kaya hindi magiging deeper yung connection nyo. So, bakit ba mahalaga yung pagiging authentic? Because this allow for people to have genuine relationship and connection with you. So, kung ano ka mismo, yun na yun. Pero, it's always something about improving kung ano na yung meron ka. So, ano yung mga benefits if you're going to improve your authentic self and you're not trying to portray someone or play a character or hide in a mask? So, number one, you'll attract like-minded individuals. So, kung extrovert or introvert ka, if you want people to be around people na same interest as you, na yung gusto mo talaga, then you might want to be authentic about yourself on how you present yourself. Number two is you'll feel more comfortable in social situations. So, dahil doon, you don't need to portray a character, you don't need to set up your mind, putya, ako si James Reid, ako si Daniel Padilla, no. So, with yourself, mas confident ka, anything, kahit saan ka ilagay. And number three, you'll build deeper and meaningful relationship. Dahil nga, you're not hiding your identity, you're not hiding the true personality na meron ka, then you can always have a deeper connection with people. So, never ka nagsisinungaling, never ka nagmamanipulate, never ka nag-gaslight. So, paano ba natin yun? Ano ba yung first step in order for you to be authentic? So, after this video, I want you to identify one area of your life that you can be authentic. So, this can be on social media, this can be on your kadate, or on your friends. So, in that one, I just want you to be yourself, but hindi kayo matatapos dun sa to be yourself alone. So, you need to improve yourself also. So, yun lang. Let's go.